Hey everybody, this is Mark from TextHub, and I wanted to share a little story with you. Recently, a friend of mine invited me to a cool networking event that he was putting on. So I went, and when I got there, I thought, why don't I do something a little bit different with my name tag? Because everybody else is just, you know, using the same old name tag with their name and I don't know, the name of their company or what they do, something kind of boring. So I'm like, you know what? Why don't I use my name tag as a call to action? So what I did is I created a digital business card with SMS, with text messaging using TextHub. So notice this is completely congruent to what I'm trying to do anyway, market and promote TextHub. But you could use the same idea to market and promote your business or company or service product, whatever it is. Um, for example, if I was a real estate agent, I would say the same thing. I would create an advertising keyword with my first name. Let's just say my first name is Samantha. So I would have uh, the 230500, the message Samantha. And so that's the call to action at the networking event. Of course, this could be at a trade show or any sort of business event. And here's the cool part. The auto reply sends them all your information. So if you're a real estate agent named Samantha, it might say something like, hey, this is Samantha's um, website, email address, and cell phone number, blah, blah, blah. And you could completely customize that and have it all set up so you could automate this entire process. So um, let's just say there's a week long trade show or event for work. Well, at the end of the week, you might have hundreds of people that texted Samantha to 30500 or Mark to 30500, and they get the auto reply that you set up inside TextHub. So not only do they have your information, but you've captured their information so you could send them cool updates, reminders, alerts, promotions, just connect with them on a personal level. After this networking event, I didn't necessarily send promotions to these people. I just tried to connect with them personally, and I just asked them more about their business. I met some really cool people there, and it was awesome. So, uh, yeah, I just stumbled upon this, and I didn't realize it would work so well. I think you would be shocked how many people were excited to try this out and test this. It was insane. So I'm just really excited to share this with you, and I'd love for you to try this at your next business event, trade show, networking event, and let me know if I could help you out and get you all set up. Thanks a lot. Enjoy.